Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Today we are going to start chapter 5. This is our new chapter, that is division. So, children, let's learn about its terms and properties which we are going to use in division. Now, there are 4 terms that we are using in division, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. 4 terms are there. Now let us see what are they. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Division is the opposite of multiplication. It is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of division. The number which is being divided is known as dividend. जो नंबर डिवाइड होने वाला है that is dividend. The number by which it gets divided is called the divisor. जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करने वाले हैं that is called divisor. The number left after division is the remainder. मतलब the number which is left after the division, after completing the division, that is called remainder. Remainder means बचा हुआ. The question is the result of division. Result of division is known as question. Now let us see one example is given here. Divide 21 by 6. So 6 is the divisor and 21 is the dividend. So dividend we write in between and 6 we write at the side. Now in 6 tables how many times 21 comes? You have learned the table of 6. You can count it by yourself. But 21 does not comes in the table of 6. So we multiply by the other number. The number which are coming closer to the 21, that we will count. So 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18 and 6 4 ja 24. So 24 is bigger than, more than 21. So we use 6 3 ja 18. So we write here 3 and 18 we will write here right below the 21. So 21 minus 18 will be 3. Clear is 6 3 ja 18. 18 we write here and 3 we will write here at this side. 21 minus 18 is equal to 3. 3 is the remainder and 3 here in this at the side it is question. So 21 is dividend, 6 is divisor, 3 is question and the number left after it is 3, that is remainder. So clear है कौन सा नंबर कहाँ पर लिखते हैं? 6 we write divisor, it is the 6. 6 we write at the side, dividend we write in the between, question we write this side and the remainder is the left number. Now we will see division facts or properties. So children, there are 4 rules are given to solve the division. First rule is rule 1. Every multiplication fact has 2 division fact. Every multiplication, there are in each multiplication there are 2 facts of division are there. How? For example, it is given 5 4s are 20. So 5. So in the table of 5 and 4 both the 20 comes. This is the multiplication fact. 5 4s are 20 is the multiplication fact. Now in this multiplication there are 2 division facts. How? We will see here. So children, 20 can be divided by 5 also, 20 can be divided by 4 also. So this means that in the table of 5 20 comes, in the table of 4 also 20 comes. So these are 2 division facts which we are we can see in this multiplication fact. So 20 divided by 5, answer will come 4, and 20 divided by 4, answer will come 5. Clear hai? So these two division facts are there which we can find in this 5 4 the 20 multiplication fact. So this rule is every multiplication fact has two division facts, is this only. Rule 2, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. Means, example, it is given 540 divided by 540, answer will come 1. This is the second rule. 12 divided by 12, answer will be 1, because 540 multiplied by 1 is the 540, and 12 ones are 12. So the quotient is always 1 when the number will be divided by itself. Rule number 3, when we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Acha, when we divide a number by 1, 1125, when we divide it by 1, the answer will be same, the quotient will be same, the number is given for the division. Means 125 will be the answer only. Here also second example is given, 52 divided by 1, answer will be 52. 52 ones are 52, so answer will be 52 only. Rule 4, division by 0 is meaningless, but if 0 is divided by any number, quotient is always 0. So here in the rule 4, division by 0 is meaningless, but if the 0 is given, so answer will be only 0, always it will be 0 only. Means, for example, 0 multiplied by 0 divided by 54, answer will be 0. Second example, 0 divided by 1205, answer will be 0. So clear hai these four properties. Now children, your homework is, you have to learn, you have to discuss these four properties. You have to learn it, and if you will have any problem, you can ask me. It is given on the page number 90. Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3, Rule 4. You have to learn it before going to the exercise. You should know about this rule. Thank you and have a nice day.